Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about personal development. So, why is personal development important? It's important because it helps you to build self-awareness, it helps you to build an identity, it helps to build your skills, either to make you more employable or to enable you with succeeding in your goals of building a business. And it also helps you in the development of relationships. So, what are the things that you need to do to improve yourself? So, you can do things like reading, because books have been written about absolutely every subject. You can do what I like to do, which is watch YouTube videos, because you can absolutely learn everything on YouTube as well these days. You can find a mentor, so that could be somebody who is a peer, but they know something that you don't, or it could be something who has vastly greater knowledge in a subject that you want to find out about. You can also do things like daily meditation, because when you do daily meditation and reflection, you are looking through your day and what you've done, and you're trying to see what worked that day and what didn't work, how you felt about situations, and how to do it differently. You can work with others so that they can push you, and you can keep challenging and motivating each other to meet your goals of personal development. And you need to stay honest with yourself, because when you're not doing something or when you're not putting in enough time, then you need to be honest with yourself, because you need to judge yourself and you need to not lie to yourself. You need to find models to look up to, so other people that are doing the things that you're not currently doing, as a way of trying to motivate yourself. And then you need to measure the progress you're making. So when you're doing something, you need to be able to see the effects that it's having, the positive effects that it's having. And if you're not able to measure, then you need to change how you're implementing. Most importantly, you need to stay consistent. Consistency is key to success. Without being consistent, you will not achieve your goals. You need to be consistent in your reading and seeking of knowledge, consistent in your seeking of advice from people that have done it, consistent in your daily reflection of how you're feeling and dealing with situations, consistent in how you are being honest with yourself when things are not working. So why is personal development important? It is important because there are loads of benefits to it. So the benefits are increased awareness because of your daily reflection, because you're continually asking yourself how you feel about a situation and how you're dealing with it. So your awareness of yourself, who you like, what you like to do, and how best to achieve goals is right at the forefront of what you're doing. So you become more aware. It improves your sense of direction, again, because you have increased your awareness of yourself and where you're going as a person and how things impact on you. It improves your focus and effectiveness, because you become better at knowing how you can achieve goals and the easiest way of doing it. So you're not wasting time making goals that you know you can't achieve or you don't have the motivation to achieve. It helps you to become more motivated, because when you're consistent in your personal development and you're seeing goals, you know that if you put in the work, you will get the results that you want. It will help you to become resilient. So when difficult situations come up in life, you're better prepared to deal with them. It doesn't always say that the situation will be easy to deal with or the outcome will be positive, but you will have a mindset that will allow you to have a positive response to whatever the situation is, which then helps you to fulfill more in your life. And you'll be more fulfilled in relationships, because again, you won't just be using up your time with people that are not your friends and people that you're just friendly with, because then you will know the real difference. People you're just friendly with are people you hang out with, but they don't really bring any value to your life, whereas people that you're friends with are people that bring value to your life, and that is mutual, and you're prepared to do anything for them to help them out. Because when you're looking for a relationship, you don't just go for people that you hang out with, you actually go for people that know you and that will bring value to your life. So in a similar way, when you become more self-aware and you've developed yourself, you will know people and situations that bring out the best in you, and those are the situations you want to spend your time in. So personal development is a much used and much aligned term. It is about taking the time and making the commitment to improving your greatest resource, which is yourself. So take the time today to look at what you want to achieve in your life, look at the different steps that you need to take to get there, and start doing it and stay consistent. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you achieve your personal goals. Thank you.